Hey everybody, and welcome to a new series. This series is meant to teach you SQL as your first programming language. You don't need to have any other experience with programming at all. You don't even need to understand variables and that stuff. I will cover this in the series. I'm currently in this process of teaching my wife about my industry and getting her moved over from changing careers. She has a couple years experience with tech support and a couple years experience with working with spreadsheets from another position. And I think that's all you need to get started. So I've been working with her a lot, and she said that she can't find any resources that approach learning SQL from that aspect. So this is that series. Now, how I'm going to structure this series is we're going to move through the roles. And what I mean by that is your first entry-level job might be a data analyst or assisting a senior individual with their day-to-day. So we're going to take it step by step. We're not going to branch out and learn everything about a specific subject. I will try to keep these videos to about 15 minutes because sometimes it takes a while to explain a concept. Not just explaining the concept, but I'm going to try to use, my favorite tools ever, Legos, as we get into more complicated programming. But for the most part, we will be using a spreadsheet to compare, things that we have done in a spreadsheet and how we relate that to SQL. Because a lot of this stuff is just learning how to speak SQL's broken language. I always say broken, it's, we can format a sentence as we're talking to each other and rip it apart and turn it into code. So we just have to learn how to ask the questions and translate that question into SQL. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. You can find SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio downloads in the description below. I will not cover the installation, but I will also add some links to other videos that I've watched. I'm not endorsing them or affiliated with them, but other videos that I've watched on the installation that might be beneficial to you. And after that, you can just go ahead and move into the first video. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you there.